Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can track an order that you've placed on Amazon. As I get into this, if you find it useful and informative, smash that like button, subscribe for more hints and tips, and let's get started. Okay guys, so here I have my iPhone, and the first thing I'm going to do is load up the Amazon app. To do this, the easiest way is to just swipe down. You'll end up with the search bar, and we can just search Amazon like so. Click on Amazon. It's going to load up the application for you. Now, once you've got the Amazon app loaded, the first thing you want to do is head over to the U section at the bottom. It's the second icon that you see, a little kind of like person icon. Click on that one. And then in here, you're going to see all the various different things that you've ordered. So you have your orders, you've got your buy agains, this kind of stuff. And one of the options at the top there is orders. Click on that and it's going to load up all of your most recent orders that you have here for Amazon. Okay, and as you can kind of see, I've got this particular order that's arriving tomorrow. If I click on that order, it's then going to basically show you a tracking element. Now, I've only just placed this order, so it's not going to show you a lot of details. But if you're expecting a delivery, you can click on this and it's going to give you all the tracking information that you would actually be looking for in relation to this particular order. So you would see that it's been shipped or out for delivery. And if it's out for delivery, sometimes you, depending on your jurisdiction, you can see how many stops away the order actually is from you as well. But this is how you would find all the tracking related information for an order that you have placed on Amazon. And guys, it is as easy as that to essentially track your Amazon orders. If this has worked for you, found it useful and informative, hit that like button, subscribe for more hints and tips, and I'll catch you all in the next one.